Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine there. On this occasion, I will remind you about the heroes who fought dots and night to achieve independence, and until now we can feel the benefit. Therefore, we must not forget the heroes who have contribution to us. The heroes of the Indonesia independence movement uh, fought with all their souls and bodies to win freedom from colonialism. They come from various backgrounds, both as national leaders, soldiers, and ordinary people who dare to sacrifice everything for the sake of the national independence. One of the important moments in this struggle was the proclamation of independence on August 17, 1945. However, before that moment, the heroes encountered many fierce battles, long negotiations, and heavy pressure from the colonialism. Names such as the Soekarno-Hatta, Sultan Syahrir, and General Sudirman are just a few of those who have become symbols of the struggle of the Indonesian people. In this struggle, the heroes not only faced external enemy but also had to unite the national, which at that time consisted of the various tribes, religions, and groups. This great challenge was successfully overcome with a spirit of unity and a strong desire to live independently. To this day, they fashion and sacrifice continue to be an inspiration for future generations. Remembering them is not just about praising them, but also taking lesson from their courage, steadfastness, and love of their homeland. As a great nation, we are obligated to maintain and continue what they have fought for the sake of a better future for Indonesian, with a high national spirit. We can continue their stronger in a different front in accordance with the challenge of the times, so that Indonesian continue to stand tall as a sovereign and prosperous country.